Hi, Carlo back again. Recently, a few people have been asking me, who's Nettie Zezza? Because we have the YouTube channel and our website, Nettie Zezza's Pantry. So I want to talk just a short little video about who she is for those of you who are maybe interested. Um, she's my wife, Virginia's mother, and she passed away in 1979. She was born in 1911. And she was a matriarch of a 350-acre farm down in Grants Pass, Oregon. And she had everything, chickens and cows and turkeys, pigs, and a huge garden. So we kind of followed her lead of her recipes and her way of doing things, canning and so forth. We found an old book. Her nephew had it in his barn, and the book was all her recipes and her tactics and ways she ran the farm. So we put the book together. We're not published as yet, and we're offering excerpts of the book on our website. There's a lot of recipes and stuff straight out of the book. We reworked some of them. I took out a lot of the salt, which I'm not a big salt guy. And so we got that book, and it's kind of beat up looking, and it was really hard to read. It was handwritten, but we fixed it up and we put it out there. And we're looking forward to publishing it down the road. So that's who Nettie Zezza was. She had 4 sons and a daughter, which is my wife, Virginia, and a husband, of course. And she really had it going on. And this is a person from the Depression era. So she knew how to save. She knew how to work that farm. So that's just a little something I wanted to put out for you. And we'll be back with a lot more. I'm new at this, so bear with me. And thanks for watching. Take it easy.